welcome back to the channel, everybody. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded, and I apologize. It was a winter, car went away, had nothing to show, but I'm back. It's a beautiful day today, but today I'm going to be doing just a small install. I got some carbon fiber to install with a couple little bit of engine bay accessories to make it a little stylish. But first I need to take my car for a wash because she is filthy, and then we will get into putting in the carbon fiber and decorating the engine bay a little bit. So my camera died at the car wash, so I want to show you the imperfections. There's still a bunch of bugs on the grill. You know, still some here. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but there's some guts there. That's why I like going over with a hand, you know what I mean? Even though it wasn't supposed to be a 5-star job, but, you know, my paint here, I'm not sure if this will pick it up, but it's getting really dull here. You know, I could probably buff that out though, make it pop better. But, you know, little imperfections that these cars have with the paint. But anyway, let's get back into the video. Alright, so what I have here is I got two hands to do this. Carbon fiber duct vent, and then we got some little clips to go with it that I'm going to put around in here if they fit, and then all around the engine bay. I'll put some, like maybe a couple here, and I might see if I can fit some maybe in the license plate bolts here, maybe around the body. I don't know how many I'm going to have, and I don't know how many are going to fit in some of these holes. I think they're all 10 mils. I think these ones might be 12 up here, but I'm pretty sure a lot of these are all 10s. So I'm going to see what we can do. I'll give you a process. Taking out these tabs, they're pretty much just pop offs. They're really easy to come off, and then I'm pretty sure these are all 10 mils. You just kind of swing them all off. So after all these tabs are removed, this pretty much comes right off. There's nothing else holding it. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then you'll be left with these, and then you put the new one on here, and then pretty much put the new bolts in. But because I got all the new accessories, I'm just going to take out a couple of these 10s and see if they fit, and then I'll give you a final product after it's done. This is the final result. This is what I ended up going with. There's a few up the sides like I was saying before. Nothing too crazy. There's the air vent. Unfortunately, these bolts didn't fit long enough in here, so I'm going to buy longer ones on Amazon. I'm going to buy the same ones. I'll leave a link for all this in the description below, but you need a little bit longer ones to hold it down better. But that's basically how the final product looks. Nothing crazy. Doesn't add horsepower, just a little stylish. Nothing, you know, too crazy. I just want my engine bay to look a little better. If you guys are still with me after that short little video, I appreciate it. Please smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do have some content coming, so I just gotta bear with me. I'm gonna try and keep a decent upload schedule. I'm not too sure how good that's gonna work out. I want to try at least upload once a week, but it's probably gonna be once a month or once every 2 months. But I'm gonna try and bring you guys content. I got a lot of things I want to install. I got a lot of parts I gotta get from storage and put them on. So thanks for watching. You know, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.